driving on ice. You smell the cedars? What city are we in? Otis. That thing is spinning big time. Look at that thing. It's got a tornado. It's going to tornado.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to have to move in a second because it's going to hit the sign.
Or you or yourself.
Me.
You know what? It's just
Right where that spin is on the ground. You see it, Ryan?
I think it's going to come right over the top of us.
Real tight circle on the ground where it's spinning. It's going to cone in just a minute.
Yeah, but it's coming right at us. That's the problem.
That's a tornado over here.
There's a tornado. Tornado on the ground. I think when that big bunch of scud hits, it's just gonna blow.
Are we safe, Brian? This gonna be a bad one, maybe.
Sorry, bud.
You got a car behind you. What way we gonna go when we get out? Go south. Go. Okay, after this guy goes. I'm back. We are in the bear cage. We don't have a lot of time, Dad. There's a circulation. Are we gonna be able to beat it? It's going across the road. I don't think we can beat it, guys. Tornado. There's the tornado. Tornado. Oh, there goes the house. There goes that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Did you see the barn get obliterated? Whew.
Holy cow.
Oh, that was some scary crap. Oh my God. Oh, that was scary stuff.
Oh,
That was scary.
That blew. Hard to believe.
That blew that shed apart?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That looked like tornado.
We were in the tornado.
Oh yeah.
Dominic wasn't even in the tornado.
God dang, that was scary crap. The tornado's behind us.
North? Yeah.
North or left?
Go north.
There's the barn that, with the tornado in the background, full cone. There's the barn that got obliterated as we were getting hit by the tornado. Tornadoes out the front windshield. Big cone tornado. I can't get pictures either. Hey, Brian.
Here. Give me your good camera.
Not the good one. Use that one. Just hold, push down to focus. That was intense.
That was. I did that in Troy Grove on the Illinois tornado.
Okay, there's your tornado. Heart's still trying to get back to a regular beat. I don't recommend that.
Wow, look at the.
Move your camera to the right.
Holy cow!
Watch your fingers, dude.
My bad.
Somebody really can't do it.
And every now and then, stab one with mine, Brian.
We might go to some tennis balls here. We better slow it down.
It's not gonna be too muddy. Nah, people are stopping up there.
No, keep going. Brian, look, this
Alright, go.
road doesn't, this road just wraps around in a circle. Yeah, see?
Fuck.
Let's get a picture of the tornado on the screen.